got it bumping.
I can't let you hold me back. Using my heart against me cause you know I'm attached. Love it how you walking blind and that is a fact. So before you walk that road you better realize where you at. Knowing your worth is like finding your peace. If you creep, then I'ma leave. I can't be with no female out here running around the streets. Cause if you do, well then I gotta keep it peak. I had a few women back then tell me that I was lame. I didn't smoke or drink and I was always on the game. I really was a nerd, I should've been ashamed. They didn't know I grow, so who can you blame? I can't chase the fame cause I'm out here chasing purpose. I stayed down with you, some would say, was it worth it? It don't really matter because I was never the person. I stuck around with you until I knew it was certain. Now who hurt?